I did a video on this Highlander Gel Stove and it proved to be quite popular and a lot of people were curious about it. So what I thought I'd do today is compare it with some chafing fuel gel. Because when you look at them, the cans, just get rid of the windshield a minute. The cans look very similar in size. In fact, they look pretty much identical. If you look that way, identical, that way, pretty much identical. But the fuel inside is different. So what I want to do is see if the Highlander fuel is better than the chafing fuel. So if we compare the two fuels, the Highlander is a nice blue colour. It's quite a thick consistency. And the chafing fuel is a pink colour. And he's got a slightly, I would say, slightly thicker consistency, but not by much. I've set up a little experiment to discover which one burns the hottest. Will the Highlander stove bring the water to the boil first, or the chafing fuel? I've got no idea. Now, traditionally, I know chafing fuel is not very hot. It's mainly to keep things warm. I put 12 ounces of fuel into identical pots and we just set fire to these bad boys and see what happens. Let's do them that way round. I know that my mesh isn't as strong as this, so I'm being a bit gentle with it. Lid on. And I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll set the timer. We turn the light off. Can we see much difference there? He's been going for coming up to 4 minutes. And we turn the lights off. And I can really see a difference with the Highlander fuel. He seems to be putting out a lot more heat, a lot more flame. So I would determine that he's going to bring the water to the boil first. We're 8 minutes in. What have we got? This is boiling, I can tell. He's well boiling, 8 minutes in. And how about this one? He's a little bit behind. So today we've proved that the Highlander stove burns hotter than ordinary chafing fuel. Now I know there's probably someone out there going, wait a minute, you've got different windshields on there. I only got the one windshield with the stove, so I've made this to make the little test as identical as I possibly could. Yes, there's going to be a bit more reflection around the back there, bringing the heat up. But I don't think it's going to make a massive amount of difference. I have a question for you all. On this Highlander Gel Stove, it says that it's refillable. I've looked everywhere on the internet and I can't find anywhere where I can get some more fuel. So when they say it's refillable, does that just simply mean that you can buy the cans to go with the pot stand? I don't know. Maybe someone out there knows the answer. That's it for today. If you've got any questions, thoughts or ideas about these little stoves or anything else, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.